Hi everyone, it's your girl Carrie Chanel, fashion, beauty, self-care, self-worth, anything that's gonna build you up, build up your soul, build up your mind, build up your fashion, build up your beauty. If you like any of that, definitely subscribe below. I have a word for you guys today, and today I was like, okay, Lord, what do I talk to the people about? He said, tell them it won't be long now. I was like, it won't be long now. I like that. I like that. And so I looked it up. I'm like, okay, what verse is that? One of my favorite verses in the Bible. And that's Amos 9:13 through 15. And it reads, yes, indeed, it won't be long now, God's decree. Things are going to happen so fast your head will swim. One thing fast on the heels of the other. You won't be able to keep up. Everything will be happening at once, and everywhere you look, blessings like wine pouring off the mountains and hills. Okay. And the other Bible verse that showed up was Hebrews 10:37. It says, it won't be long now. He's on the way. He'll show up most any minute. Okay. But let's start with the first verse. That's the main verse. And that is saying things are gonna start happening fast for you. Some of you might be feeling like you're in a slow period. Things aren't happening. You're like, okay, things are at a standstill. Like I'm stuck. I'm lost. I'm confused. I feel like I'm waiting. Cause I was at a conference, and they mentioned the whole, the hell in the hallway. You feel like you in hell in the hallway. And even though I feel like personally for me, I don't feel like I'm in a hallway. I feel like I'm in a doorway, not really a hallway. But I feel like for a lot of people, it's like you're in a hallway. You're like in a between period. I know a lot of people have gotten laid off from their jobs. A lot of people are like trying to figure out what's their next move, what their next steps. It could be in a relationship. It could be in your career. It could be in finances. It could be in physically moving. Like, I know I got to get out of here, but where am I going? I'm not sure. And it's really like a in-between period for a lot of people. But it's only because he's preparing you for the overflow that's going to come in. And so when he says things are coming fast on the heels of another, get your rest. Some of you need rest. Get your rest in, because things are going to start happening fast, and it won't be long now. I think for some of us, we've been waiting in the hallway. We've been waiting in the doorway. We've been waiting for a long time. For some of us, it ain't been that long. Like, be real with yourself. I remember this one time I missed the bus by like this much, and I was livid. This was when I was in high school. I was livid. Like, I was seething in my mind. I was so mad. I was so mad. And so it was cold outside. Like in Chicago, it's something different. So I'm waiting. I'm just angry the entire time. I felt like it was gonna take hours. Like, I was so mad that it was like I've been waiting at this bus stop for 30 minutes at least. Hour. It was so long. And so by the time the bus came, I got on the bus. I looked at the time. It's only been 15 minutes. It was only 15 minutes that I was waiting. So it's like, sometimes you feel like you've been waiting forever. Some people have been waiting decades. Some people have been waiting 5 years. Some people have been waiting longer than that. Some people have been waiting 6 months. Some people have been waiting a year. So if you've been like, not to discourage your time, everybody's time's different, and it could any minute can feel like a long time to us. But we all know that the Lord's time is like a day is 1,000 years, and 1,000 years can be a day to him. So it's like really understanding and being on the Lord's time, where we're understanding that, right now I'm in the waiting period, I'm in the rest period, I'm in the get ready period, and soon enough things are going to start happening. So the word here is, it won't be long now. It won't be long now. Okay, things are gonna start happening. When they start happening, it's gonna start happening quick. So it's just like, keep going. I'm here to encourage you. It's Vlogmas Day 2 to keep going, okay? You know, I'm only on day 2. I can't expect to, you know, like, even gain 1 subscriber, okay? If I do, God bless you, you know, subscribe to your girl. But, you know, it's like, you gotta just keep going, keep pushing, keep being obedient to what the Lord says. Just keep following after him, and it won't be long now. What won't be long now? Things will be happening so fast your head will swim. What things will be happening? Okay, I know a lot of the things that's going on in this world, wars, rumors of wars, all of that. But what's gonna be happening? Blessings. It says everything will be happening at once. And everywhere you look, blessings. Blessings like wine pouring off of hills and mountains, okay? Blessings. And when you think about the hills and mountains, you think about, like, if you're on top of a mountain, right? And let's say you pulling a bear, or you pulling like something with wheels. You know, like my aunt, she's in a wheelchair. So when we going up the mountain, like when I'm, or like a hill or anything, I'm pushing up and it feels like a struggle. But then when we coming down, she's pulling me, okay? So something that you maybe you had to hold up something, or push up something, or push in a situation where you had to get up the mountain and it was a struggle. Once you hit that top of the mountain, everything is gonna start trickling down, running down fast. Like when I go I don't know if you experience this, comment below. But when I'm going down a hill or something with my aunt, she's pulling me. The blessing is gonna be so fast. It's gonna be coming so quick that you're gonna be like, oh my God, it's pulling me, okay? This blessing is pulling me. After all the work I did, finally, it's at the point where it's like it's coming every which way, you know. And so I'm also here and look from the hills which cometh my help. You know, don't be focused on the things that's not working, the things that broke down. You tried it before. I tried it didn't work out last time. Like, don't even worry about none of that stuff. Focus on where you're going and getting there. Like, that's the only thing you need to focus on, because once you hit that peak, it's gonna start flowing. It's gonna start flowing, and it won't be long now. It's gonna happen way faster than you expect. So when it happens, be prepared for it. Have everything you can to fill up those fill that vessel up with your blessings. Like, think of like if you knew you're gonna be in one of those things. You remember those things where it's like money swirling around you and you gotta catch as much as you can while you're in there. If you knew in your mind that was coming, wouldn't you wear every cargo pants and everything that had the most pockets and tight stuff that you can tuck it in, you know? So it's also like, be prepared in this time. Prepare, be obedient, do what you can. And, you know, it won't be long now, okay? I'm here to tell you, it won't be long now. Good things are coming your way. And when they hit, everything gonna hit, you know. Some of you are like, I'm single, I'm broke, I'm this, I'm that, and my kids going crazy, blah blah blah. Then it's like your kids gonna start getting like honors, and you're gonna find you a man, and you get you a job. Like, it may not all be all of that, and it's different for different people. So, you know, figure out what the Lord's saying for you. But he's saying it's gonna be so much that your head is going to swim. And remember, it won't be long now. Hold on, hold out hope, keep pushing. Okay, so you know, it's your girl Carrie Chanel. Fashion, beauty, self-care, self-love, all that good stuff. It's October, so tomorrow we're gonna be posting another video. It's gonna be Friday, so I'm gonna try to do fashion Fridays. That's like, because fashion is definitely one of my mantles. It's been confirmed, okay? So I'm gonna try to do a fashion video for you guys tomorrow. So definitely stay tuned and be a part of the Care Bear family. Comment, share, you know, all that good stuff. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. And remember, it won't be long now, and I will be seeing you in less than 24 hours. So bye.